So hi, I'm here to do my read aloud again, and today I'm going to read the book Wolves. I'm in a new spot, so I'm gonna have to move my camera around a little bit to make sure you can see the picture. Before I start, I'd like you to meet my oldest son, Noah. Come, Noah.
Hello.
This is my son, Noah. He's visiting today because he's finally off work, and you guys have met Storm already, and he loves to lick my face. Say, hey, Storm. You want to get Kaiser up here?
Oh, wait.
Whoops. Yeah, I'm going to have you meet Kaiser. Whoop. Oh, actually, you met Kaiser, so Kaiser's going to say hi. He's another licker. I love him to death. Oh, okay. All right. If you can get Lucy.
I know where she is.
Okay, and when my cat Lucy comes up, I'll introduce you to Lucy.
She's right here.
Oh. Can you pick her up?
No.
All
Hello. No, I don't think so.
right.
Lucy, come.
Okay, well, Noah's going to try to get Lucy here by giving her a treat. So, Wolves by Emily Gravett. Oh, let's put this treat up here. Lucy,
No, Kaiser.
Lucy, come.
Lucy.
Here, give it to me. Lucy,
Just want it.
Lucy. And put her on the chair.
No, Kaiser, get.
Lucy, come. Can you pick her up? Just put her on the chair. Come.
Behind her.
Lucy? Okay, so sorry. Okay, I'm going to keep reading while my son tries to get Lucy up.
No, please, leave her alone.
Wolves. Wolves.
Dirty dog.
New at
No,
your
cats don't eat
library,
it.
Wolves. Oh no! My dog ate the cat treat. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think she's
All right.
lost playing with the dog yet.
Shh. Rabbit went to the library. He chose a book about wolves. Wolves. And look, this is the library card inside. You can see someone borrowed it quite a bit. So here's Rabbit reading his book about wolves. Gray wolves live in packs of between 2 and 10 animals. They can survive almost anywhere from the Arctic Circle to the outskirts of town and villages. In some areas, wolves have retreated to places where fewer people live, such as forests and woodland. They have sharp claws. Bushy tails. And dense fur, which harbors fleas and ticks. An adult wolf has 42 teeth. Its jaws Its jaws are twice as powerful of those of a large dog. That looks like one hungry, mean wolf. Wolves eat mainly meat. They hunt large prey such as deer, bison, and moose. They also enjoy smaller animals like beavers, voles, and rabbits. Oh my. The book is all torn up. The author would like to point out that no rabbits were eaten during the making of this book. It is a work of fiction. And so, for more sensitive readers, here's an alternative ending. Luckily, this wolf was a vegetarian, so they shared a jam sandwich, became the best of friends, and lived happily ever after. So let's see. Whoa. Burrowed walk. Instead of Cantonese, it says Caratonese, and it's a menu. Angora Organics, a catalog for rabbit. So this is all the mail that rabbit gets. It's pretty funny. All right. See you tomorrow.